Hi, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm talking about the opportunity to meet with me for one executive of one massive restoration brand. So look, I've looked at every one of you out there, and none of you are capitalizing on YouTube and Facebook and different channels, but you're utilizing your national marketing budget in so many different areas, and you're really disservicing your franchises by doing that. So I just want to make myself available. Look, I'm willing to fly to you, spend a half a day, a couple hours, just talking about the opportunities that are sitting right there in front of you to benefit your franchise community from a national brand. The strategies I'm talking about do not cost thousands of millions of dollars. They are very simple, very practical way you can dominate the future. And I just want to see if somebody wants to take advantage of that. Free, no strings attached, not looking for business. I'm very loyal to my client, but I would love to see a national brand really help their franchises. So I'm sure many of you are going to reach out. I know all of you executives are watching my videos and following along. You don't really chime in, but hey, I'm giving you a chance to take advantage of it and really propel yourself for the future, to be one step ahead and be the industry game-changing platform. So all you have to do, email me, Sean@tierlevel.com, or hit me up on LinkedIn, but Sean@tierlevel.com. Would love to schedule some time with you just to chat. I'm only going to do this for one individual. It has to be the right fit. So just if a bunch of you reach out, I'll chat briefly with all of you and see where it makes the most sense. But absolutely would love to help you be more relevant for the future, because look, some of you are billion-dollar brands, some of you are multi-million-dollar brands. You're not safe. You are not safe. Blockbuster, Toys R Us, none of these companies thought they would ever not exist in 2018. So, you know, I just want to be very directional. Look, I'm just going to tell you how it is. I'm going to tell you exactly what the consumers are doing. I'll put you in the mindset of the consumers. Look, you're like, well, we got all this research and we know where we spend our marketing dollars. Look, it's bullshit, okay? If I wanted to sell you print advertising, I could show you all the research all day long that makes the best sense to you. I'm just going to share an honest evaluation of where consumers on their phones, on their devices, and what they're doing and how it can impact you and your national brand so you can better serve your franchisees in the future. So there it is. First ones to reach out, I'll entertain those conversations. Like I said, I will pay for myself to fly to your corporate headquarters, sit down with you and your team, and just give it to you straight, where things are going, how it's going to be. So hope you guys are doing well. Hope somebody takes advantage of this opportunity. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.